Which law significantly impacts the operational autonomy of NGOs in Jharkhand? FCRA RTI Act MGNREGA Land Acquisition Act. FCRA. Explanation: the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, FCRA, significantly impacts the operational autonomy of NGOs. It governs the acceptance and utilization of foreign contributions by individuals and associations in India. NGOs in Jharkhand and across India heavily rely on foreign funding for various activities, including social work, development, and advocacy. FCRA regulations dictate how NGOs can receive, manage, and spend these funds, impacting their financial planning, reporting requirements, and ultimately, their independence in choosing and implementing programs. Non-compliance with FCRA can lead to significant restrictions on funding, investigations, and even cancellation of registration, thereby directly affecting their operational autonomy. Why other options are less suitable? RTI Act. While the Right to Information Act promotes transparency and accountability for public bodies, including those receiving government funding, it doesn't directly control an NGO's financial autonomy or its ability to receive funding, as FCRA does. MGNREGA, the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, is a social welfare program focused on providing employment, unrelated to the core operations and funding restrictions affecting NGO autonomy. Land Acquisition Act. This act governs the process of acquiring land for public purposes and has a tangential impact on NGOs, who may be involved in land-related issues, however, doesn't directly regulate their finances or activities in the same way as FCRA.